5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Alright, so listen up, fellers.
Crazy mother.
So we're on our way to go pick up or get running a new backhoe that Rachel's company said that we can have if we can get it running and get it out of there. Good news, because I'm going to get it running and get it out of there. And we're on our way up there. So yeah, see you when we get there. I do this every time, but I should have filmed it. There was this little Dodge Neon SRT joint that we just Mexico raced. And he's back there, I don't know if you can see him. But it's funny, I had to do the 3-horn beep and take off. So yeah, I didn't film it again, just like the BMW story.
I know, that one was funny.
Oh well.
Alright, so we're here. Just waiting for him to pull inside. There it is. Checking everything out, making sure it works. Huh? That one, not that one. That one's busted, the bulb. Yeah, it works. Got it fired up in one crank with the jump pack.
We got the tires, got air in them now. We got it up, we got it running, we got it driving. Now we're just gonna get it out of here. We're not doing that today, but we're done. It's ours. It works. Let's go. All right, so we're back at it again. We're taking this guy home with us because we got it running. Oh, dirty already. Taking this guy home with us. We got it running already. We got the trailer right there. We're gonna drive it up on there and that's that. Okay, see you in a minute. All right, fellas, we got it loaded. It's on there.
It's ours.
It's ours.
No take backs.
No take backs. We got it on there, and we'll tow her with the tow rig. Get her home. Scores. Fellas, we're towing it. I don't know if you can see it, but hold on. Let me here, I'll face the camera on the thing. She's there, boys. She's there. So we're gonna head home, and then I'll see if I can record a little something there, so you guys can see it, I guess. Okay, bye. All right, we got it home. It's here. We unloaded it off the trailer in the road. Down there somewhere in the dark. So there it is. Show you a little bit more later at some point in time.